So tell us, how is your right foot feeling right now?
Well, after walking to and from lunch and the treat this morning, I am quite noticeably at least 30 to 40% less pain.
Less.
I would pretty much not be walking on an average day if I had done the amount of walking I've done.
Oh, okay, so that's a pretty good improvement.
I've still got the pins and needles.
Oh,
Can't get rid of that. So at the moment, I've still got what feels like coldness in both left and right foot. You know, this is manageable. It's by no means great, and I'm not on a heavy day of lots of walking. You know, they're both sorts. Just this one's an 8 out of 10 most of the time, and this one's like a 3.
Oh, okay, got it. All right. So how you feel now after treating this foot? Any changes over there?
Yeah, so this one's less than
And then that one?
That one, I'm feeling more symptoms and discomfort
On
walking
that one, right?
on this one. Yeah, fine.
You don't care?
I've
All
had
right.
that much of it. It's all good.
I'm also aiming for this foot, okay? Oh yeah, this is very good. I know it's a long needle, it's really scary. For the people who's on YouTube, I don't do this often because I need the thickness of the needle, the power of the needle to fix the foot. His foot is long-term problem, so I need to have more energy in them. That's why I use a bigger needle. All right. I don't do this often. Same treatment. I'm gonna use lung to treat the spleen, and the lung treat the UB. UB can be either side, lung has to be opposite side. So today the lung over there, for the spleen has to be opposite side because it's the number 1. And he's such a good patient. He doesn't even flinch. Thank you.
That's all right.
The needle's on periosteum. We're gonna use this part for his toes, for the both side of the toes. Yeah, the baby ones. Thank you. You okay?
Yeah, it's just trying to sit here and be calm. These are the ones that hurt going in. Those, they're fine.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna be nice to you this one, okay? 1, like I would. And they're here?
Not really.
Not really, I know, because I can feel it right here. How you feel on your feet? Both of them.
My toes
Move
are
a little bit. Move a little bit, just like.
My toes are warm.
Oh, the toes are warm?
Yep.
Good. Just like this.
It's like I've got feeling back in them instantly. I have feeling back in them.
Okay, you have feeling back into your toes.
They're warm.
They're warm. I like that because you say you're a little bit cold. No,
Yeah,
it's warm.
it's interesting. It really is.
Okay. All right, so let's cook for a little bit.